What is sustainable and ESG investing? Hi there, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about what sustainable investing is all about. We'll cover what ESG investing stands for, why it matters, why it's important, and some future trends in this space. So let's get right into it. So what is sustainable investing? Well, ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. And it's basically investing in companies that are doing well by doing good, that are reducing their impact on the planet and society while also making a profit. Let's break down each of these letters. So E is for environmental. This includes things like reducing carbon emissions, investing in renewable energy or clean tech, having sustainable supply chains, and avoiding controversial or harmful products. Next up is S for social. This includes things like fair labor practices, ensuring diversity and inclusion in the workplace, providing fair wages, respecting human rights, and making a positive impact on the communities where they operate. And then G is for governance. Good governance means having ethical and transparent leadership, strong anti-corruption policies, a diverse board of directors, and respecting shareholder rights. So why does any of this matter? Well, more and more evidence shows that taking these factors into account can mean the difference between a company that is financially stable in the long run and one that is more likely to experience a scandal or an environmental disaster that will hurt both people and the planet. By investing in companies that take care of their employees, their customers, their communities, and the environment, you're investing in a more sustainable and equitable future. It's also a way to align your money with your values. Many investors want to make sure that their money is being used in a way that reflects their own ethics and beliefs. Now let's take a look at some future trends in ESG investing. More and more fund managers are offering ESG funds, and these funds are seeing rapid growth around the world. More companies are adopting ESG reporting, which means they're becoming more transparent about their impact on the environment and society. And younger investors are demanding more ethical investment options. In a nutshell, sustainable investing, or ESG investing, is about making sure that your money is being used in a way that benefits both profits and the planet. It's about investing in companies that are doing well by doing good. So what can you do if you want to learn more? Well, start by educating yourself on the topic. There are plenty of resources available to help you get up to speed on ESG investing. Next, start small. Every sustainable choice you make, whether it's investing in an ESG fund or just voting with your wallet as a consumer, makes a difference. The most important thing is to just get started. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Together, we can grow our wealth and do good. Until next time, happy investing.